Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe and you not subscribe on this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at what we would be expecting this week on GBP USD. But before I go ahead, before I continue, let me quickly introduce you guys to the Patreon channel that we are actually offering. On this channel, we'll be giving out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. Also, we'll be giving an in-depth analysis on why we'll be taking such trade. We will be explaining why we will be taking such trade, and not also that we'll be also be providing a support, kind of like a mentorship program for you, which we will be putting on, kind of like a one-on-one support. We should be shared on that Patreon channel. So once, if you're interested, all you just have to do is just give it a try for just a month. This month of July, you can actually, try to trade with us, give it a try for this week. And after a month, if you are not comfortable with the service, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription. Yes, you can cancel your subscription. Canceling your subscription is allowed if after a month you are not comfortable. So all you just have to do is just go to the comment section, click on the link to our Patreon channel, subscribe, you become one of our Patreon subscribers, so they will be able to put you through. Now, these are also some of those trades we actually took last week, and we can see that every of those trades we took was actually a profit. We came out with zero loss. None of our trade for last week we took was lost. None of them came out with a loss. But we came out with a break even also. We came out with a break even trade, and we also came out with a profit. So there was no loss we actually had this week. So this week also, first week of July, we'll be putting out high probability trade. So if in case you're having trouble growing up your account with this our trade, you should be able to grow up your account and every other things. And you also get the mentorship, the support, analysis and every other thing you need. So sign up to our Patreon channel. The link will be in the comment section. Now let's go to our 4 hour time frame. Let's see this what will I call it? GBP USD. At first, this movement started last year, right? Let's see it. This was about January, or let's see it from March. You can see that it has been giving us a bullish move, right? So GBP US has been giving us a bullish move. As of recent now, we are now having a drop, right? So if you take a look at this your trend, you see that this GBP wants to give us another drop. I mean, you can see a drop, a pullback, a drop. This is a pullback. So prices are indicating another drop wants to happen, right? It's indicating another drop wants to happen. But we need to be very, very careful because on the technical aspect of it, we have to be expecting a drop, no doubt. GBP USD should give us a drop. But when you take a look at the fundamental aspect of this, because we'll be expecting major news this week, from unemployment rates to FOMC statements to NFP, we'll be expecting something like ADP, non-farm payroll something. Then on Friday, which will be the last day of the week, we'll be expecting NFP. So basically, these movements will actually have an impact on our USD. So basically, every other place are trading to our USD, you need to be very, very careful on them. So basically, if this news will come out in favor of our USD, then we expect USD to give us a bullish move. If USD give us a bullish move, then of course GBP to USD have to fall. But if they would not come out in favor of our USD, if they will not come out in favor of our USD, then we expect USD to actually fall. If USD falls, then we expect GBP to USD give us a bullish move. So with what I am saying, I'll be expecting this news to actually come out in favor of our USD, thereby USD to give us a bullish move. With that, price should fall. This is just on my own speculation because we don't really know what the results will come out. Let's watch out. Let's keep an eye on it. What the news is, and we are going to be giving an update. So basically, if you subscribe, you'll be able to get an update we will be putting out there. So on this technical aspect of this, let's sit on this 30 minutes time frame. You can see that at first price, you can see this impulse move, right? Price failed to give us a new highs. Price dropped, right? It failed to give us a new highs. Then it gave us a movement which we can call it as an higher highs. It fails to break this ice, right? Instead, guess what it happened? It dropped, giving us a new low. So, I mean, those of you that should not understand this moment, change of character, you all know the change of character. Once you see a change of character, that is an indication that price wants to reverse. Though you still need some confirmation, by the way, you still need some confirmation. But when you take a look at your 30 minutes time frame, you can now see that price is not trading below our 10 period simple moving average. Let me quickly add it to 20 period simple moving average, which I think it will also be trading below it. So probably if you would want to sell, you can probably see once this 10 period crosses below your 20 period, maybe then you can go ahead and sell. That's with now, you all know that once 10 period crosses below the 20 period, that is a sell, right? So probably you can wait for confirmation, like price, give us another lower lows. If that price give us another lower lows, or price crosses below, it just depends on how you want to trade, how you wait for your confirmation, how you get your setup. It is up to you. You should know how you're going to get that setup. So basically you should be watching out for it. If in case it does not happen, then if in case, which I think GBP USD should fall, but if in case it does not fall, then we expect it to actually break above this trend line. So if in case it does not fall, then we expect GBP USD break above this trend line. So everything we are going to constantly give an update. So if in case you're interested in high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning, all you just have to do is go to the comment section, sign up to our Patreon channel, so you'll be able to get the needed support, and mentorship and every other thing you need on our Patreon channel.